Today we're in the Booneville facility and we're in the quality assurance lab with Stevie, and he's going to show us a little bit about what we do here to test our siding quality.
This is the X-Rite spectrometer. We have a standard and it's called 40 to 40. 40 light or 40 dark on the shade.
Okay.
On your red, green, blue, yellow, black and white. The 40 to 40 standard you cannot see with a visual eye. So once they check their gloss, they come in, they pull up their color on this computer. And whatever line it is, they put their line in and it enters it.
Wow.
And every 15 to 20 minutes when this is checked, 5 years from now, I can go back and tell you what that color was at that very moment.
Convenient. That's crazy.
So after we check the color, that's where the fun begins.
I love it so far.
We do a impact test. We like to tear it up when we work on it.
Love it.
This is an 8-inch, 8-pound weight. That's 123 pounds.
Wow.
And still no hole.
That's incredible. That's almost my body weight. That's insane. And this goes up to the scale like 300 and some. Cool.
But after that, then they get 2 whole pieces, and we've got a room out here. This is a heated room.
Oh.
I think it's warm in here now. If you would like to see that, I could show you that.
Okay. I love being warm. Let's see if I can handle it.
So they will step in here and they will hang those 2 whole pieces on the wall, just like they would anywhere else. Once we have our siding hung, turn this heating element on, shut the doors. Most people only go to 20, but we take it to the extreme and go to 150.
Wow.
If it don't melt off the wall, you've got #1 quality product.
Nice. 150 degrees.
After that, we start the process over. We just go from each line every 15 to 20 minutes, check the color, length, gloss, everything on it.
Awesome. So you're always busy.
Always on the go.
Well,
that's how I stay so skinny. I walk a lot.
That makes sense. It's your secret. Well, cool. Thank you for taking the time to walk us through this and show us the different things that you put this siding through. It's awesome.